This is the brand new M4 MacBook Pro. Apple says it's the most powerful MacBook ever. But is it really? In this video, we'll unbox it, test its performance, and find out if it's worth your money. Let's start with the unboxing. Apple, as always, nails the packaging.
Artlist.io.
Clean, minimal, and precise. Inside the box, the MacBook Pro itself. First thing you see is the MacBook Pro wrapped in that signature soft paper. It feels more like unveiling a luxury product than opening a laptop. There is a braided USB-C cable. You'll also find the usual Apple documentation. A 96-watt power adapter that feels solid and well built. This space black finish looks absolutely stunning. And that moment when you lift the lid, no buttons to press, the MacBook turns on instantly and the Apple logo glows to life. Pure Apple magic. This space black finish looks absolutely stunning in person. It's deeper and more matte than the old space gray. It resists fingerprints better than previous models, and yes, it feels premium. The Liquid Retina XDR display on the MacBook Pro continues to impress. Colors are vibrant, blacks are truly deep, and brightness is stunning, especially when watching HDR content. Viewing angles are excellent with minimal color shift even from extreme sides. And then there's the sound. Apple's 6-speaker system delivers wide, rich audio with impressive clarity and surprisingly deep bass for a laptop this thin. Let's talk performance. The M4 chip is built on a 2nd-gen 3nm process, and it shows. In Geekbench, we saw scores of over 14,000 multi-core, outperforming the M3 Max by 20%. In CapCut, we exported a 4K video with heavy effects in just 57 seconds. That's faster than most desktops. Let's push the M4 MacBook Pro with a real AI workload, speech synthesis using local models. First, we're launching Pinocchio, a sandboxed environment for running open-source AI apps locally. From here, we load a voice generation model. No cloud, no servers, 100% local. After loading the model, we run the app directly inside Pinocchio and open the speech interface. Next, I upload a sample audio file, a short voice clip, so the model can learn the vocal tone and style. Then I write a simple prompt, and here's the result.
Hi, this is preview of my voice. What do you think?
Generated in seconds, smooth, and totally offline. The fact that this machine can handle real-time speech synthesis with zero lag is impressive. That's desktop-grade AI performance in a laptop form factor. To explore the MacBook Pro's gaming capabilities, Minecraft is a great starting point. Without shaders, gameplay feels incredibly smooth. Turning on cinematic shaders instantly transforms the environment. Sunlight streams through the trees, shadows shift naturally across the ground, and water reflects the sky beautifully. Even with these heavy visual effects, the experience remains immersive and fluid. The MacBook Pro proves it can handle not just professional workloads, but also deliver a stunning and enjoyable gaming experience. So, should you buy the M4 MacBook Pro? If you're a power user, a video editor, a developer, or someone who wants the best laptop performance without compromise, this is it. But if you already have an M2 or M3 MacBook Pro, the upgrade might not be worth it unless you're chasing that raw power.